How to activate your DayKidz account. As soon as you receive a new message notification, open your email and go to the welcome message sent by DayKidz. If you don't see the email, don't forget to check your junk or spam folder. This email contains your ID and a link to create your password. Click on Confirm Email Address to open the password creation interface. To make the process even easier, you will also receive an SMS containing your ID and a link to create your password. So you have two options, via email or SMS, and you can choose the one that suits you best. In the tutorial, we show examples of incorrect passwords, only lowercase letters, only numbers, or a mix of numbers and lowercase letters, which all fail. For your password to be accepted, it must contain at least 8 characters, including at least one number, one uppercase letter, and one lowercase letter. After creating your password, click Confirm. The login interface will appear. Enter your ID and the password you just created, then click Login. Once logged in, carefully read the terms of use, accept them, and your account will be activated.